Hello students, how are you all doing? Hope that you must be fit and well. Today we are doing a sum from JEE Advanced 2015. 2016. Okay. Now the sum reads like this. Okay. Let S equals to X element of minus pi plus pi such that x is not equals to 0 plus minus pi by 2. The sum of all distinct solutions of the equation root 3 sec x plus cosec x plus 2 tan x minus cot x equals to 0 in the set S is equals to. So there are four options for this given question. Okay, and these are A minus 7 pi by 9, B minus 2 pi by 9, C 0 and D is 5 pi by 9. Out of these four given options, only one is the correct option. Okay, and we have to find that correct option for the given question. Okay, now see, first you have to understand the question very clearly. See here the x value range is given. Okay, so x is the element of minus pi to plus pi. That means x lies between, pi value means what? 180 degree. That means it is lying between 180 degree plus and minus 180 degree. Okay, that means not including 180 degree plus or minus between these two. Okay, and we have to find all the values of x which are okay, and it is being given that x cannot be equals to 0 or plus minus pi by 2. If you are getting the values of x like this, you have to neglect those values. X should not be equals to 0 or plus minus pi by 2. Okay, and this is the equation being given in terms of x. Okay, and we have to find all the different values of x which are lying in this range and which are satisfying this given equation. And then what we have to do after finding all the values of x, it is being told to us that find the sum of those different values of x. Okay, find the sum of those different values of x and then you have to tally with the given options. There are four options given and which option is tallying with the sum of all the different roots. You have to tally with the given options. Okay, so we are starting the sum now. See here. Now this equation is being given here. We have to solve this equation. So this is root 3 sec x plus cosec x plus 2 tan x, okay, minus cot x is equals to 0. So see what I am doing. I am taking these term which are inside the bracket, that side of the equation sign. Okay, so equal sign. So this will become root 3 sec x plus cosec x. Okay, and when this will be carried to that side, minus will become plus and plus will become minus. Okay, so to this minus cot x will become plus cot x and plus tan x will become minus tan x. Okay, now see here, sec means now we are converting all the here trigonometrical ratios in sine and cos. Okay, because it will be helpful for us in working. Okay, so this root 3 and sec x means 1 by cos x. Okay, and cosec x means 1 by sin x. It is equals to 2 and cot x is cos x divided by sin x minus tan x. Tan x is sin x divided by cos x. Okay, now see here. I am taking the LCM, okay, or you divide, okay, take the LCM now, okay, of the two denominators, this side and that side. So what we are getting here we are getting cos x into sin x. Okay, so cos x is going here sin x term. So root 3 sin x. Okay, so in the numerator root 3 will be multiplied with sin x. So this will be root 3 sin x plus sin x is going here cos x term. So 1 into cos x will be cos x. Okay, so that is 2, and here take the LCM of the two denominators. So this will become sin x into cos x. Okay, now sin x is going here cos x term. So cos x into cos x become cos squared x minus cos x is going here sin x term. So sin x into sin x will become sin squared x. Now see here. Here it was told to us in the given question that x is not equals to 0 or plus minus pi by 2. So when the x is not equals to 0, so sin x will not be 0, because we know sin 0 is 0. Okay, and cos x is 0 when x value is plus minus pi by 2. Okay, but it is being told to us that x value is not equals to plus minus pi by 2. Okay, and we know cos plus minus pi by 2 is equals to 0. So x value is neither 0 nor plus minus pi by 2. So this two denominators will never be 0. So when the two denominators are not equals to 0 of both the sides, so we can cancel those two denominators from both the sides, because these cannot be equals to 0. Okay, so if they are not equals to 0, you can divide both the denominators from both the sides. Okay, so these are cut out. So only the numerators are being left. So here I am bringing 2 this side. So 2 is multiplied here. When it will come this side, it will become divided. Okay, so this will become root 3 by 2, root 3 divided by 2 into sin x plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, cos x, and this will be cos squared x minus sin squared x. Clear? Now see here. So now we are changing this to the cos. Okay, both the sides we are changing to cos. Okay, now here half is, so we will be using this formula. See here. So cos A minus B. Cos A minus B formula is what? Cos A cos B. Okay, plus sin A into sin B. So this formula will be used, and we also know that cos 2x is equals to cos squared x minus sin squared x. So this is cos squared x minus sin squared x. So this will be changed to cos 2x. Okay, so these two formulas will be used. So here first I am changing these into the form so that I can use this formula. Okay, so half, I am writing this first. Okay, so half, or you can write this as first, but I am writing this first. Okay, half value is cos, so cos x I am writing first. Okay, and half value is cos what? 60 degree. So cos 60 degree value is half. So here for half I am writing cos 60. So this is cos x into cos 60. Okay, plus sin x into root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 is sin 60 degree. Okay, so sin pi by 3. And here cos squared x minus sin squared x is cos 2x. Okay, now see here. So what we have got here? So here it is, we are getting cos x into cos pi by 3. Sin x into sin pi by 3. So this is cos x minus pi by 3. Okay, so this will be cos x minus pi by 3. Okay, so because cos a minus b, in place of a it is x, and in place of b it is pi by 3. So cos x minus pi by 3 will be cos x cos pi by 3 plus sin x sin pi by 3. Okay, so this is equals to cos 2x. Okay, now see here. For trigonometrical equations, you know that if cos, okay, suppose x alpha is equals to suppose cos beta. Okay, so then alpha for general solution, alpha will be equals to 2 n pi. Okay, 2 n pi plus minus beta. Okay, so here alpha will be 2 n pi plus minus beta. Clear? So here cos 2x is equals to cos x minus pi by 3. So 2x will be then, okay, general solution, 2x will be 2 n pi plus minus this. Okay, x minus pi by 3. Clear? So here n is what? N is the element of integers. Okay, now see here. So these are the values. So this is the n is the value of integer. Okay, so we are separating these two equations. So see here, I am writing at the top. Okay, so we are having two equations in terms of x. Okay, so first equation I am having 2x is equals to 2 n pi plus x minus pi by 3. Okay, and the another equation I am having 2x is equals to 2 n pi minus x minus pi by 3. So from these two equations we will have different values of x. Okay, clear? And we will then solve those equations and find out the values of x. Okay, and those values of x which are lying in this range. Okay, and then we'll add up all the values of x. So here this 2x is equals to, open the bracket, it will be 2 n pi plus x minus pi by 3. Now bring x this side. So this will become 2x minus x is equals to, here what I am doing, I am taking pi, here 3 LCM. Okay, so this will become 6 and pi, okay, minus, and 3 is 3 going one time, so this will be pi. Clear? So here 2x minus x is x. So here I am taking pi common, pi by 3, so this will be 6n minus 1. Okay, so here x value we have got this from here. Okay, and from here what is the value of x? We have to solve this. So simplify this. So 2x is equals to 2n pi minus x, open the bracket, it will become minus x, and plus pi by 3. Now bring minus x this side. So this will become plus x. Clear? And this will be 2n pi plus pi by 3. Okay. Now here 2x plus x is 3x. So here take the LCM 3. So this will become 6 n pi. Okay. Plus 3 is going in 3 one time. So this will be pi. Okay. So this is 3x is equals to, taking pi common, pi by 3. So this will become 6n plus 1. So x will be, here 3 is multiplied, taking 3 this side, it will be divided. So pi by 9 into 6n plus 1. Okay. So I am writing these at the top. Okay. So these are the two values of x in terms of n we have got. So I am writing first, we have got x is equals to pi by 3 into 6n minus 1. N is the integer. Okay. And the another we have got equation of x in terms of the integer n. Here x is equals to pi by 9 into 6n plus 1. Okay, n is what? Integer. Integer means negative and positive whole numbers. Okay, now we have to find all the values of x which are lying in this range by putting the different integers. Okay, so let us start with n equals to minus 1. So I am putting n is equals to minus 1. So what will be the value of x then? From here, from this equation, it will be pi by 3 and n value is minus 1. So minus 6 into minus 1 will be minus 6 minus 1. So this will be minus 6 minus 1 is minus 7. So this is minus 7 pi by 3. Okay, which is out of range. So this is out of range. This is less than minus pi by minus pi. So this value is not accepted. Okay, and let us put n equals to 1 here, minus 1 here. Okay, so minus 1 I am putting here. So what value of x I am getting here? Okay, pi by 9 and x is equals to minus 1. So this will become minus 6 plus 1. Okay, minus 6 n into minus 1, minus 6 plus 1. So this become minus 6 plus 1 is minus 5. Okay, minus 5 into pi by 9. So this will become minus pi by 9. And this is lying in the, this is greater than minus pi. Okay, okay, this is greater than minus pi and less than pi. So this value is lying in the range. Okay, we are accepting this. Okay, now second. Okay, now here I because it is value for n equals to minus 1 is smaller than, so I am no need of checking for minus 2, but here I am checking because for minus 1 I have got a value of x which is lying in the range. So then let us check for n equals to minus 2. Okay, so what value of x we are getting? Okay, so this will be pi by 9 into minus 2. So n I am putting minus 2. So 6 into minus 2 will be minus 12. Okay, so this will be minus 12 plus 1. So this will be minus 12 plus 1 is minus 11. So minus 11 pi by 9. So which is smaller than minus pi. So this is out of range. So we will not accept this. Okay, so no need of checking for minus 3 because minus 2 we are getting smaller. So minus 3 will be more smaller. Okay, so here no need of checking minus 2. Okay, because minus 1 we have got less than this. So I will check for n equals to 0. Okay, so here n is equals to 0. So what value of x I am getting? Here pi by 3. Okay, and 6 I am n I am putting 0. So 6 into 0 will be 0 minus 1. So this is minus pi by 3. Minus pi by 3 is bigger than minus pi. So this value of x will be accepted. Okay, now let us check for n here 0. Okay, so n is equals to 0 I am putting here. So what value of x I am getting? See here. So x here I am putting n equals to 0. So 6 into 0 will be 0. Okay, and 0 plus 1 will be 1. So that is pi by 9, and pi by 9 is lying in this range. So this value will be accepted. Okay, now let us check for n is equals to 1. Okay, so n is equals to 1 I am putting. So what value of x I will be getting from this side? So this will be pi by 3. Okay, and putting n equals to 1. So 6 into 1 will be 6 minus 1. So this is 6 minus 1 is 5. So this is pi by 3, which is bigger than pi. Okay, so this value will not be accepted. So from this side of equation we got only one value of x which is lying in the range is minus pi by 3. So when n is 1 we are getting a value of x bigger than pi. Okay, so no need of checking for n equals to 2 because that will be more bigger than pi. Okay, so here let us check. Okay, for n equals to 1. So n equals to 1, when I put in here x will be what? Pi by 9. Okay, this will be pi by 9 into here n value I am putting 1. So 6 into 1 is 6 plus 1. So that is 7 pi by 9. So 7 pi by 9 is smaller than pi. Okay, so this value of x is accepted. For then I have to check for n equals to 2. Okay, so n is equals to 2. What I am getting? Put value of n 2 here. Okay, so this is pi by 9. Okay, so n 2. So 2 into 6 is 12. Okay, so 12 plus 1. So 12 plus 1 is 13. So this becomes 13 pi by 9, which is bigger than pi. Okay, so this value will not be accepted. So no need of checking then n equals to 3, because when we are putting n equals to 2, we are getting, okay, value which is out of range, which is bigger than pi. So for 3 it will be more bigger. Okay, so what are the values of x, total values of x? So from here we have got minus pi by 3, only one, and from here we have got 3, 1, 2, 3. So okay, minus pi. Okay, so from here we have got minus pi by 3, and here minus pi by 9, pi by 9, and another is pi by 9. Okay, and third is 7 pi by 9. Now here in the question it is asked that add up all the values of x which you are getting, sum of all the distinct solutions. Okay, so we have to add it up. Okay, now we will add these all different values of x that we have got. Okay, so now you add it up and check and tally with the given options. Okay, so what will be the sum of all the values of x? So sum of all distinct, okay, distinct solutions of the equation will be what? You add up all the different values of x which you have got. Okay, so add it up. So this is minus pi by 3 minus 5 pi by 9, okay, plus pi by 9 plus 7 pi by 9. Okay, now add it up. Okay, now see what we are getting here. Okay, so here it is equals to, take the LCM, 39999. So 3 is going in 9 3 times. So this will be minus 3 pi. Okay, minus 9 is 9 is going in 1 time. So this will be minus 5 pi. Plus 9 is going here 1 time. So this will be pi. And 9 is going here 1 time. So this will be 7 pi. Okay, so minus 3 pi minus 5 pi is minus 8 pi. And plus pi plus 7 pi is plus 8 pi. Whole divided by 9. So minus 8 pi plus 8 pi is 0. So 0 by 9, that is 0. Now check from the given option. The option C is saying that it is 0. So the C option is correct. Okay, so that is the answer. So I hope that you must have understood the sum very clearly. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Stay fine. Thank you.